So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to unblock a specific country on Zoom. So for that guys, first of all, you will need to open any web browser in your computer and then search for zoom.us. Right away after getting on the website, the first thing you guys will need to do is log into your account on this top right section, and after that you guys can see this option right here which is called my account. Now just select it and it will get you on the profile page. After that, on your left you can see this list of options. Now just select the settings option and you guys will get on the settings page. Now if you scroll down a little bit, now you can see this option right here. Now you just need to switch off this button, and just like that guys, now you have successfully unblocked a specific country on Zoom. So that's how you guys can be able to unblock a specific country on Zoom. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.